In this video, I'm going to show you how to create AI influencer in Higgsfield AI. Now, the first thing you want to do here when you're on their platform, you want to go to AI influencer up top and you want to click on that. And from here, this is basically the studio, the AI influencer studio, where you can then create your AI influencers. Now, to do this, to start with, as you can see here, it's going to be like a empty frame which says your AI influencer lives here, and you can then design it and build it over here from right hand side. You also have some different suggestions over here usually, and then here you could also click on the surprise me button, which basically will allow you to essentially create a random one. But I don't want that right now. I actually want to create a new one, so I'm going to click on create new here, and I'm going to start from the right hand side. Now you want to go to the builder first, and then you also have the prompt. So if I go to builder, you have a character type. For this, I'm just going to do a human over here, and then we're going to do gender, we're going to do male, and then here you have the ethnicity. So of course you can select whichever ethnicity you want here, and then you have to select your skin color here. So for this, I'm just going to do it like that. There we go. And then you have the eye color. Of course, you can go ahead and select the eye color you want. Let's just do a deep brown eye color here. Of course, you can select as well by clicking on that, and you can see your own color. Here you have the skin conditions. In case you want to add any skin conditions, I'm just gonna go ahead and basically do let's just actually do freckles over here. There we go. Of course, you have to also put the age. You could do senior, adult, or whatever. I'm going to do adult over here. And then you have the advanced settings, where basically you can go ahead and change a bunch of different things about the face, body, and style. Now here, take your time and actually generate something, because when you click on face here, you could go ahead and, of course, generate what eyes you want to do. So for example, if I do human eyes here, and you can do eye details like glowing eye, you could do mouth and teeth here. You have a bunch of different options, okay? So for the face, for the body, and for the style, you have a bunch of different options. Go ahead, click through these, and actually create the AI influencer that you want to actually create, and kind of try to envision what you're trying to create before clicking that to actually make it look, of course, the way you want to. Up top, you also have the prompt option. You can also enter a detailed prompt describing your AI influencer. You could enter in visual traits, style, mood, persona. There's, of course, a bunch of different things you can do here. Just go ahead and type in exactly how you want them to look like. Maybe you can even like envision it or like draw it on a piece of paper, and then from there you could go ahead and kind of describe that in here, which also is a method that helps. You could also use like ChatGPT to help you do that or stuff like that. And whenever you're ready with the builder and the prompt, you can click on generate influencer down here at the bottom. And what's going to happen here is, for me here, it cannot start it right now because apparently I haven't typed this in. I'm just going to type in male here. I'm going to click on generate, and there we go. As you can see, you have to type in something inside the prompt box. So I typed in something completely random, just the gender here, but of course you must type in something that's actually going to be relevant to your builder, and then relevant to, of course, however you want your character to look. Now, what this will do here is it's going to go in progress or in queue, and depending on how many generations are currently happening, this could take like a few seconds up to a few minutes, and whenever, of course, that's done, you'll be able to see your new AI influencer which you created, and then if you like it, that's great, but if you don't, you can just click on create new here and go through the exact same process, try to envision whatever you want to create, and then create it via the builder and the prompt over here on the right hand side, and that way you can then, of course, get your new AI influencer. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.